For me, this feels incredibly appropriate. I've worked so hard to get to this point in my life, and I've made huge sacrifices and taken really, really big chances with being on something like a reality show, but it ended up being something that was, you know, it was a facility that led me to something that I've been trying to do for so long in my life. And it means the world to me, you know, like I want my work to be seen by the public, and I want it to be, you know, I want it to be hated, I want it to be loved, I want it to be talked about, I want it to create discussion and controversy and, you know, inspiration. I want all of that. So the title for my show is Not For Long, My Forlorn, and it's based on actually one particular piece that I began the whole collection with, that I made. What's in that piece that inspired the rest of the show is really my deep investigation that I've started at this point in my life on spirituality. I sort of thought that it was interesting how, with working with these ideas of what it all means and who we are and what we are and how we die, we're born, maybe we were reborn, all these different life cycle issues. These are the things that really inspired me for my show, and that I feel like once I got into one piece, it just snowballed into the next, and so on and so forth. For me to have this opportunity to finally have a lot of my work, a cohesive collection, shown all at once as a solo exhibition at the Brooklyn Museum, it is a dream come true. It really is. I'm very, very excited about the exhibition. It's something I feel very proud of.